Hi, I'm Kevin with Creative Digital Media, and in this video, we are going to take a look at Contractor SEO. What is SEO? SEO, or search engine optimization, is the process of optimizing your website in order to increase the organic traffic that you receive from search engines like Google, Bing, and Yahoo, as well as a number of others, the most important being Google. And here's why. 93% of online experiences begin with a search engine. 81% of people perform some type of online research before making a large purchase. 75% of people don't scroll past the first page of search results. And 85% only click on the organic search results. Only 15% of users click on the ads. Therefore, if your website isn't showing up on the first page of Google's organic search results, it's effectively invisible. There's a joke about Google and SEO. Where's the best place to hide a dead body? The second page of Google. Very corny, but illuminating in regards to how important it is to get your website on the first page of Google. Because if you're not on the first page, your customers aren't going to be able to find you, and instead, they're going to find your competitors. So in this video, we are going to take a look at keyword research, having a mobile-friendly website, having a fast website, providing a good user experience, and having a secure website. These are all extremely important for search engine optimization. First up is keyword research. And this is what search engines use to determine search results. SEO is built on keywords. Search engine spiders crawl the web, come across websites, and index them. And then when somebody comes along and performs a search on Google, it's instantly able to provide the most relevant search results. And it does that based on the keywords that users type into the search engines. Therefore, identifying what your ideal customer is searching in order to find the products or services that you offer is extremely important, and is the only way that you're going to get your website onto the first page of Google. And once you've identified keywords, you need to use them on certain areas of your website. In your title tags, your meta descriptions, which you can see right here in this image. This is your title tag, this is your meta description, and these keywords are bolded because Google bolds relevant keywords in the meta description in the search results. And then the URL is also extremely important, and using short, easy to understand URLs is essential because it makes it easy for users and search engines to understand what a particular web page is about without having to go to the web page. If a URL is 20 words long or a bunch of arbitrary letters and numbers, that doesn't provide any information in regards to identifying what that page or determining what that page is about. You also want to use keywords in your headings and subheadings and throughout your content. Another extremely important place is the image alt text. And you can't just focus on one of these areas. The page title is the most important, but you still need to use keywords throughout your page title, your meta description, URL, in your content, in your image alt text, and in your headings and subheadings. And use your headings and subheadings to create an informational hierarchy on a page, which makes it easy for users to consume your content and for search engines to understand what the page is about. Next up is having a modern and mobile-friendly website. If your website is not responsive, you're going to have problems ranking. Google's not going to want to send people to your website if it doesn't look good on a mobile device. Google implemented mobile-first indexing, I think last year, where they index the mobile version of a web page first, and they provide a free tool, which is Google's mobile friendly test, If you just go to Google and search mobile friendly test, it'll be the top result. And you go to the website and enter your website's URL, and it'll tell you if that particular page is mobile friendly. If it is not, it'll tell you what needs to be fixed or what problems it's having displaying or properly rendering that web page on a mobile device. Another thing you can use to test your website's mobile friendliness is your mobile phone. The majority of internet traffic is now mobile, as in most people are on their phones when they're searching for stuff online. Therefore, your website needs to look good on a mobile device. Speed is another extremely important factor because the internet speed on mobile isn't the same as it is on Wi-Fi. So your website needs to be fast because not everyone that's browsing on their phone will have 4G internet access or be able to browse at a Wi-Fi equivalent broadband speed. Therefore, your website needs to be fast even if somebody's on 3G. There's a few things you can do to improve the speed of your website, such as using a caching plugin, a content delivery network, or CDN. And one of the biggest things is compressing your images before you upload them to your website. If you upload massive or full-size images, that's going to slow your web page down to a crawl and take forever to load on a mobile device. The next thing is providing a positive user experience. This will improve the dwell time, and it will increase the likelihood of users taking action or contacting you and recommending your business or your website to other people. And providing a positive user experience includes making it really easy for people to get in touch with you. You want to make their experience as intuitive and as seamless as possible, removing any roadblocks and making it very simple for them to take a desired action, whatever that is that you want them to do. And the last thing we are going to discuss is an SSL certificate, which is going to encrypt communications between your website and your hosting, which protects users' data. And as you can see in the images, the top one is a website that does have an SSL certificate, and the bottom one is one that does not. When a website does have an SSL, it's indicated by the HTTPS. A website that does not, in Google Chrome, it will say not secure. And this is a ranking factor. Therefore, your site needs to be secure. That's it for this first video on Contractor SEO. I'm going to make a few others, one on local SEO, one covering on-page SEO, and one covering off-page SEO. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about anything in the video, let me know in the comments down below. Subscribe to the channel so you can get notified when those other videos come out. And if you need help with your SEO, you can go to creativedigitalmedia.com/contact-us. Thanks for watching and have a great day.